Boxy Charm unboxing. Today I'm looking a little crazy. I don't have like full-on eyebrows. I just have like a little bit of eyebrow. I do have foundation, powder, and bronzer, and a little bit of chapstick because I actually want to try on the products that came in my box. So when you open the box, it looks like this. It has a little card on the top, and in here you will have all the information about the stuff that's inside. First thing that I'm grabbing from the top is the biggest thing. This is actually a face mask. Apparently it comes with some charcoal liquid stuff or like creamy stuff that you will put all over your face, and then it has this like a sheet mask that you put on top, and then you wait till it dries, peel it off. It says that it has 2 plus the 2, so I guess it has 2 uses. And just if you're curious, I got the box 2, I think. It has a little 2 right here, so I'm guessing this is the second box. The lace mask is $30 for this. This is $30, and it says
that it's a detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask. Offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep congestion and exfoliation experience.
Sounds pretty cool. I'm actually really excited to try that. But I can't try that right now because I already have makeup on. The next thing that's here that I'm super excited about, it's a superhero mascara. I don't think I have tried this before. I think I might have tried a sample, but I don't think I have ever had like the full size. And it's been a while since I tried it, so I don't remember how exactly it was, if I liked it or not. But this is how the wand looks, and it's a full size mascara. I'm super excited. I am gonna use this mascara. Is the superhero mascara, and it retails for $24. The third thing, it's a Kat Von D liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Bow and Arrow. It has a smell, but it doesn't smell disgusting or nice. Like, it's just a smell. It's a pretty wearable color for me. And that Kat Von D liquid lipstick, it's retail at $20. The fourth thing we got is this Don't Despair Repair Strengthening Moisture Living Mask. So it's just a spray that you spray in your hair after you take a shower, and that's it. And the most exciting thing is this palette. It comes wrapped in bubble wrap, and this is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. It has eyeshadows and blushes. So it comes in a little box, and this is the front, this is the back. It tells you what it has inside, and it looks exactly the same from the actual thing. And it just says Pure Midnight Palette. It opens like this. Has a little small mirror right there. It has blushes. This might be a highlight color. This could be like a bronzer top, where you can actually use it for eyeshadow as well. And these two are blushes. This is a little too dark for me, but this might work. The only thing I don't like is that it only has one matte shade, which is, I mean, it's cool. It has one brown, it's a wearable color, whatever. And then it has all these pretty colors. It kind of has a chocolate smell. Oh, I didn't even tell you how much the leave-in conditioner retails for. Okay, so this retails for $16, and the palette retails for $38, which that's expensive haven't had the best luck with this brand, Pure Cosmetics. I don't know why. Like we always get stuff from them in our box, and I haven't had the best luck with it. I have never like really loved a product from them. So this looks really pretty, and I am really having really high hopes for it. The only thing is that this transition shade that comes with the palette, it's a little too dark to be a transition shade for me because I'm pale. I'm gonna go ahead and get one of the colors from the Jaclyn Hill palette, like just the brown that I can, a lighter brown that I can use that I can use on my lid as a transition shade like this. Okay, I'm gonna try this blue shade, and this is one of the brushes from the Anastasia palettes. So I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna place it. It does have a lot of fallout, so I should have not done my foundation. And my face looks really horrible today. I've been really dry, like my lips are super dry, my face is really dry, my foundation does not look cute, my pores look nasty. That's a cute color. I'm gonna grab that brown shade. Oh, they have names. I just noticed. Well, I just like mentally realized. The blue shade is called Showtime, and the brown shade is called Sneak Peek. So I'm gonna grab the brown shade, which is Sneak Peek, and just blend right where my crease is. Okay, this color is not showing brown. When it touches the blue, it turns like into like a grayish color. Which is not pretty at all, but oh well, let's try to make it work. And now I'm gonna grab this shade, which is Exposed, and try to do the inner corner of my eye with it. It's not showing too well, but I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus in my brush. And I'm gonna try again and see if that makes it better. It did make it better. It looks a little chunky. I'm gonna go back with that blue and try to make it more pigmented. I'm gonna go with the mascara. Alright, I'm gonna try to apply some of that brown color on my lower lash line. I'm gonna get this gold right here. It looks like a really cool color, and I'm gonna try to apply it right here. That's actually a pretty color. Reminds me of Christmas for some reason. Actually reminds me of New Year's more than Christmas. It's like a rustic gold, or like an old gold, or I don't know how to explain it. And I'm gonna apply mascara on my lower lashes. And that's it for that. I'm gonna grab an angle brush and try this hidden secret. I'm like, what am I reading? And just gonna apply it in the apples on the cheeks. I'm gonna grab a fan brush and I'm gonna get that twilight color. Oh, that's a little dark for me. Oh, they're intense too. Like, I don't know. Like, for some reason, I don't know if I can see it, but it's a pretty color. Not my favorite, but I feel like it looks really nice. It really complements the blush. So far, I don't hate it. I don't love it. I will probably use it again. Now I'm gonna try this Kat Von D lipstick. And I'm not gonna line my lips or anything because my lips are horrible right now. I like the color. I really do like the color. I like it. And I'm gonna spray some of this in my hair just to see like if it smells or like what it does. I'm gonna do it like my tips. I don't have a lot of split ends, but I do have really dry hair. It has a good smell. I don't like the sprayer, like the sprayer is like so direct. So that's it. Overall, did I think the box was worth it? This is a $21 subscription for those who don't know. In my opinion, it was worth it. I know for a fact that I will use this, and this was $16. I know for a fact that I will use this lipstick, which was $20, which this is almost the whole box already. I know for a fact that I will use the mascara. The mascara is $24. The palette was like, I mean, I'll wear it again if I need one of those colors. Why not? And the highlight, the blush, it's pretty. I actually do like the blush. It's like a really peachy color, like orangey peachy, and I'm into those colors. Like those colors really do fit my skin. I really like face mask. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be using this face mask until I get every little drop of black charcoal stuff out of here. So yeah, overall it's a really good box. I'm really excited and glad that I got the things that I got, because I actually did like everything in the box except for I think the only thing that I'm like it's a palette, but I mean it's still wearable. It didn't turn out too bad. This eyebrow's like messing with me. Yeah, so that's that. If you would like to subscribe to Boxy Charm, I will leave a link down below, and if you have any questions, let me know. I will try to do this Boxy Charm videos once a month. I do get the box like around the 15th of the month or so. And yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this video and leave a comment if you have any suggestions or anything. If you want to say hi, leave a comment. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!